Welcome to Bongo Indian Cooking. Today I am going to share with you mustard ladyfinger recipe which pairs well with rice, and it's easy to cook and quick recipe. For making this recipe I have taken 250 grams ladyfinger. Slit the ladyfinger pieces, but the end part should be joined like this. Turn on the heat, put a pan, add 3 tablespoons cooking oil. After oil is hot enough, it should be smoky hot, then add the ladyfinger pieces along with half a teaspoon salt. Turn to high heat and stir continuously for 2 to 3 minutes. Keep stirring and stir fry the ladyfinger pieces. To make it more tasty, ladyfinger pieces should be long, and while frying don't put the lid. Keep stirring until the ladyfinger pieces is well fried and it should be crunchy. In the meantime, prepare a masala. In a blender jar, add 3 teaspoon mustard seed and 1 teaspoon peppercorn and blend into paste. Take the ladyfinger in a side way and in the remaining oil add quarter teaspoon turmeric powder. Mix the turmeric powder with the ladyfinger. Reduce the heat and keep stirring. Don't turn to high heat. Then add the prepared mustard paste. You have tried so many recipe of ladyfinger, but once try this. It's really awesome. Next, turn to low heat and well combine. Well combine the mustard paste. But be careful, the ladyfinger pieces should not be mashy. Add little water and adjust salt. Cook over low flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Gently stir, it should look like tawa fry. Cook over low flame. Our yummy mustard ladyfinger is done. We Bengali like to serve it with white steamed rice. Friends, if this video is helpful to you, like, share and subscribe. I need your support. Thanks for watching.